Hey guys, it's Maymay, and I'm so excited to bring you another Scripture Stamp Club set. This one is for April of 2025, and it's a good one. I love this one very, very much. I'm excited that we have this in our collection now. If you're not a member of our Stamp Club, what you waiting on? We have two different clubs. We have our original club, which ships out at the first of the month, and then our Scripture Theme Club, which ships out at the middle of the month, around the 15th of the month. This set you don't have to be a club member to get, but as a club member, you get it at a little better price and it comes to you with no shipping. And also, you get a 15% discount on your purchases in our store as a club member. So consider that. We'll put the link in it in the description for you guys. But let's check this one out. It is so pretty, you guys. Look at this. I've wanted this for a while and we weren't exactly sure how we wanted to lay it out, but I love how this one turned out. So this one features scriptures from Numbers. It's actually Numbers 6, 24, 25, and 26. It says, "May the Lord bless you and keep you." And then we go here, "Shine his face on you and be gracious to you and turn his face towards you and give you peace." Love these. You can stamp them all together. You can stamp them separately. You can stamp them throughout the card. Like if you're doing maybe a trifold card and the first page is "May the Lord," and then you pick the different scriptures you want to go through. And my favorite part, this is what we wanted to work out, was this little vase. Do you see this little vase that's open at the top? That's how you can stamp these little flowers here. And Miss Sylvia lined this up so that the vase goes right to the flowers. And then you have this beautiful little floral vase set and some pretty little flowers for filler. Maybe you do your vase and some flowers fell off or something like that, or maybe you want to add them in different spots. And I'm going to show you the samples that Miss Geneva did. I think Miss Geneva and Miss Opal, I don't want to not give credit where credit is due, but surely Geneva and Opal in some way. But I want to show you this. I think they're so beautiful. So look here, she used the floral bouquet, which by the way, you can use without the vase, which was another thing we wanted. So you have the floral bouquet here, and then on the inside, "Shine his face on you and be gracious to you." And she put the little leaves. Love that. Then this one, she used the flowers. Do you see the little extra flowers and what she did there? Love that. "May the Lord turn his face towards you and give you peace." And on the inside, she has a little slip pocket. She likes to do those. I think that's really cute, so you can write the sentiment there. And then on the last sample, which I think might be my favorite, look at this one. She did the vase. She did the bouquet in the back. And then look, she popped up that front flower so it would just really show. And I think you could make these poinsettias pretty easy. That's another thing we try to do all the time is make the flowers where you can turn them into lots of different things. And then this one opens like this and look inside. So pretty. I love these samples. They're so bright and springy. I think that's so gorgeous. Now listen, I want to see what you do with it. As always, with our club sets, if you make a project using this set, whether you're in the club or not, make a project using this set, post it to our customer gallery, and you're entered to win a $50 gift card, which we give away every month. And you could have been the winner from last month. So you want to make sure you look in the description of this video here to see if you won last month. But I can't wait to see what you do. You guys always do such beautiful work with our stamp sets. Also, if you're looking for inspiration, check out our customer gallery. You will get a lot of inspiration for your cards and things over there. It's like our very own Pinterest. All right, you guys, thanks so much for being a part of our club. I hope you love this set as much as we do. I think this one is gorgeous. I can't wait to make a card in the prayer map using this one. I'm sure there'll be a perfect place. Until next time, bye now.